Hello food lovers, guess what? Crystal Caribbean Catering and Restaurant is back and they are at a new location, 401 Weber Street, Unit J, Waterloo, Ontario. Days of operated, Mondays and Thursdays. Curbside pickup, delivery available within 10 km radius. On Mondays, jerk chicken, curry goat, served with white rice, rice and peas, roti, plantain, 4 pieces for only $1. On Thursdays, oxtail, fried chicken, served with white rice, rice and peas, roti. Small food, $12.99. Large, only $15. And delivery cost, $3 flat rate. They also have vegetarian dishes, curried chickpeas, callaloo and saltfish, ackee and saltfish, choice veggies, steamed vegetables, coleslaw, callaloo, garden salad. All orders have to be placed 24 hours in advance. Don't delay. Call them today at 519-781-7667. Crystal Caribbean Catering and Restaurants. Tell them precisely.